Welcome to Sustainability Talks, the podcast where we dive deep into eco-conscious solutions and innovations shaping our world. I'm your host, Andrea Ford, and today we have a special guest joining us. This is Cristian Gago, currently holding the position of Food and Commodity CAM team leader here at Omron, and we have invited him to delve into a pressing industry issue, the reduction of plastic usage. In today's episode, we will kick off the interview by starting with an inspiring success story right from within Omron. So, without further ado, welcome Christian. Thank you for being here.
Thank you to you, Andrea, for inviting me, and it's a real pleasure.
You're welcome. How has Omron's AI technology been used and what impact had it on reducing waste in their operations?
Okay, as you may know, European Union solution to increase plastic recycling rates are key for packaging market. And in June 2019, the European Union adopted new rules to target the issue of plastic marine litter. It includes 25% of target for reducing content in plastic bottles and 30% by 2030, if I'm not wrong. Previously, of that moment, Omron have already decided to help this important need for sustainability developing a thermal solution called perfect sealing. This technology is based on AI technology to facilitate the sealing process of new recyclable materials. These new materials are characterized by being built with the same materials, or the people know like one layer plastic.
Okay, so about one layer, can you explain the concept of this in packaging materials and how Omron's solution contribute to its implementation for sustainability?
Yes, nowadays our customer focus in food and commodity market have an important challenge to be more sustainable and reduce the use of non-recyclable plastic, as explained previously. Okay, this kind of plastic is made from several diverse types of plastic, all of them layered together to ensure no particles can pass from the environment into the packaged goods. These multi-layer plastic items on average have around 3 till 12 different layers of varying type of plastic. Most recycling processes are specialized in a single type of plastic and are unable to handle materials made up of multiple types of plastic because it's more complicated to automatize this process. The development of more efficient and functional and protective monomaterials alternatives has pushed this transformation to the front and is helping companies reach their sustainability goals. And of course, Omron is helping them thanks to our solution for a better sealing.
Perfect sealing. This is crucial in food packaging. Could you share how Omron's technology ensures perfect sealing? And also what benefits does it offer for both manufacturers and consumers?
Yes, Omron developed a system based on AI technology within our temperature controls, capable to adapting to any variation in the field. Our automatic filter adjustment function is focused on our temperature control, suppress the seal jaw surface temperature hunting, delivering consistent high temperature control performance. And ideal for thinner packaging materials that are more sensitive to temperature change. About some of the benefits that Omron Perfect Sealing solution offer to our customer, of course, there are many, but some of them are less defect during sealing process. Scaled operators are not needed because AI enables automatic temperature parameters and reduce dependency of hard to find specialists. It perfects production quality improvement, of course, and minimize a lot of goods and fill waste. Another important topic for our customers.
And continuing with packaging, can you supply insights into recent industry news or trends related to automation, AI, or sustainability in the packaging and manufacturing sector that Omron has been following closely?
Some of this information is quite new, but okay. Yes, there is one technology not too much known for our customers around inspection, which is based in our switch cameras.
And can you talk to our audience and to me about these short cameras? What they are?
Oh, sorry, Andrea, for that. This acronym means short wave infrared imaging. This technology, this vision technology, of course, allow us to inspect already packaged products. What does it mean? Does mean that it depends. Plastic, paper, glass can be crossed by this type of cameras, allowing quality control once the product is packaged. Until today, something unimaginable.
Okay, I can see that Omron is really, really committed to plastic reduction, right?
Yes, of course. Omron is really committed to plastic reduction, and for that reason, last 2022 December, Omron awarded Platinum Rating from a company called EcoVadis due to our sustainability. And of course, we are really, really proud of that reward.
Really? Wow. And what was the criteria of the award and how did we meet them?
Oh, the criteria of the evaluation of EcoVadis governs it's evaluating under some criteria based some topics. These following pillars are environment. The second one is ethics. Labor and human rights is the third, and the last one is sustainability procurement. Based on these four criteria, they extract a rating between 0 and 100 points. Omron was rated with the highest award. It's between 78 till 100% of this rating.
That's great. And also, could you discuss some of the innovative ways Omron has helped companies in the journey towards plastic reduction, and what outcomes have been achieved so far?
Yes, under SF 2030, Onro aims to magnify its corporate value by creating social value and economic value through its business. About some success case, of course, Andrea, we can explain a lot of them, but I would like to be focused in the first one. I'm going to explain one of the first one, of course, that Onron have to face with a customer who proposed to seal a small bag or porous paper, silk, or nylon. There are three different materials. Then, with only the perfect sealing was not enough, then the system need to adapt to the different materials automatically. And where our perfect sealing, of course, we need more help, as I say. For that, we introduce other equipment, such a very high precision measurement sensor based in laser technology. This sensor calculate the width of the material, send this information to the control. Between both information, we can be faster and more efficient in the face of any minimal change in the thickness of the material to be welded. Thanks to all this full solution that Onron can provide to our customer, the control, the sensor, and also the laser sensor, we can face this complicated challenge.
Oh, this is a clear example on reducing plastic. Do you think we are going to implement this solution with more customers? I think it's really interesting.
Oh, we are also working in a lot of new opportunities with many customers, of course, worldwide, mainly in food and pharma market, of course, to face this new sealing challenge that they have for the production lines, of course.
That sounds good. And in addition to sustainable benefits, what other advantages or improvements have been seen by companies that have adopted Omron solution in their packaging and manufacturing processes?
Oh, okay. Yes, the main improvement that has been seen and discussed with our customers is the reduction of waste. Not only the envelope, is also the waste, the main product or goods, and of course the plastic itself. Because the first weight of starting up the machine also is an important waste for the different format, and we can eliminate this waste thanks to this technology. The second benefit was the possibility of being ready for the new compliance with plastic regulation, of course, and thus being able to continue producing products much more sustainable with a lower ecological impact, thanks to the use of innovative technology from innovative companies such as Omron, of course. Of course.
Okay, we agree that sustainability is a top priority. And at last but not least, before we wrap up, would you like to conclude this wonderful interview with a statement or reflection related to everything we have discussed?
Wow. Wow,
Yeah.
important. Yes, yes, of course. But please, firstly, I want to thank you the opportunity to this sustainability talk today with you, and of course about the reflection. I want to say that at Onron, sorry, we put people and the planet at the forefront of our decisions and actions. This is quite important for my personal point of view. We are also working to realize a sustainable future by way of innovation. That means enabling automation that empowers people to bring about a healthy and inclusive digitalized society, as well as practicing respect for all to ensure ethical business throughout our entire value chain, and fighting climate change by striving for carbon neutral manufacturing and sustainable product design, of course. One of our motto in Onron about environmental, social, and governance commitments is Onron Zero Emissions Initiative. And for next 2030, our target is to reduce our emissions in 65%. And for 2015, our commitment is to zero greenhouse gas emission. What does it mean? That means that Onron is really committed with sustainability. Last but not least, I would like to invite all the listeners to contact me if you need more information about how Onron can help you in your daily production process to be more respectful with the environment.
Okay, Christian, thank you very much for being here, for being a part of this podcast. And for our listeners, we hope you found this episode of Sustainability Talks both insightful and inspiring. And remember, the journey to a sustainable future is a collective effort, and your engagement and awareness are key. Stay tuned for more thought-provoking discussions, and together, let's make the world a better place for generations to come. See you next time, and see you next time to you, Christian, too.
Thank you to you, and see you.